Hello guys, good morning. Today is I'm gonna show you how to remove the toilet bowl and replace with a new one in the easy way. Here we go. Come bear with me and I will show you how to do it. First of all, have to loosen the two bolts and the water tank and the two bolts where they connected into the toilet bowl. Yes, I already removed it and then I'm gonna put on the side. Before I put the new wax, I have to remove the old one first. The existing old wax sealed. Clean it very well. Now I'm gonna put on new wax. Now take note guys, if you don't have this kind of wax, you can put a silicone on it around on the circle of the plunge, and then just to make it tight and then seal the water. So now I'm gonna install the new wall. It looks like the plunge is too high, so I'm gonna cut into half the wax sealed. Let's see what's happened. So I'm gonna put it back again. Oh, it looks like it fit good. So you're gonna put the nut on it, tight it up, and of course there's a gasket on it too as well, and the washers, the plastic washers. Then we're gonna put the O-ring for the water tank. Install it properly. Make sure it's aligned, and put the two bolts and the washers and the gaskets. Make sure the gasket is on, otherwise the water will leak. The gasket is inside in the water tank and the washers is outside, like I mean in the bottom of the water tank, and tight it up it properly. Don't make it tight too hard, otherwise it will make crack on the water tank if you tied it so hard. So just tie it gently and be careful. Now I'm gonna remove the existing water connection flexible hose, and I'm gonna change the new one. Make sure you guys put the Teflon before you hook it up. Teflon is the one of very important, especially when you do plumbing works. So now it's ready. Then going to install the push button flush. It's easy to install, and this kind of flush is they have the two button on it. So one for the big flush, and the one is for the small flush, and then it's easy to install. Just tight it up properly. Make sure it's aligned as well. Now I'm gonna install the cover of the toilet bowl. It's very easy. You need only two plastic bolt, and you're gonna open the small leads on it. That one. There you go. On this cover there's a gasket as well. Don't forget to put the gasket so it's avoid to scratching into the toilet bowl, and it's easy to install. Yeah, it's just like that. It's all in now. Now it's time to hook it up the plastic bolt. And these bolts, there's a washer as well. So don't forget to put the washers in. By the way, I usually use the metal bolts on this cover, but this kit come with the plastic ones. But it's not a big deal. It's still good. So just do with it. Put the washers in the nut. It's very easy installation. You can do it by yourself. Alright. And this is the other bolt. We're gonna put in the other side as well. Don't make it so tight so that we have enough space to swing when you're aligning the cover into the bolt. Now it's already aligned, then I'm going to tighten it up using the flat screw. And again, don't make it so tight because when you tighten it too hard, it will break the and damage the plastic bolt in the hole of the plastic cover. Now we're done. We're going to check if the flush is working good. Now we're going to cut the bolt was connected into the bowl. It's kind of too long, so in order to fit the cover on it, we're gonna cut it a little bit, at least 3/4 inch. So I'm gonna go get the grinder. Extra careful guys, for when you're cutting the bolt, make sure that you won't touch into the toilet bowl. If you can put some rags on the side of the bowl so to avoid the burnt marks or black marks on it, and same as the other side as well. Very important guys, when you're cutting using the power tools, make sure you're wearing your safety gloves and the safety gloves as well. We'll see if the cover is fit on it. Wow, it's perfect. All right, let's try the other side as well. We'll see if it fits good. It looks like we need to tighten it more, so I'm gonna take my adjustable wrench to tighten it up a little bit before we put the cover in. Now it's tied up already, and I have to check the flash if this is working good. All right, it looks good, and then we're good to go. So it's all done now guys, so thank you for watching. For those who haven't subscribed yet my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for updated videos. I just want to say thank you to all the subscribers, to all who visit on my channel, and to all viewers they don't skip on the ads. Thank you very much as well too. So yeah, have a wonderful day guys, and happy Holy Week for to all of us, and God bless us all. Bye bye.